Ukwedlula emhlabeni kwenkakha kwezokulingisa kweshiye iNingizimu Afrika kanye ne-industry yezokulingisa nesikhulu isililo. Umbukelele kuhlelo la TV sikwamukele futhi. Kanti sihamba phambili zithi ukwedlula emhlabeni kwababa uPatrick Ndlovu wazakhele igama elikhulu kuyizo waphinda wabonakala kwiZone 14 aphinda avele kumvango nakwezinye izitori kwenze iNingizimu Afrika yavuleka esikhulu isilonda lezi. Kanti uBamdlovu udlule emhlabeni seneminyaka engu-84 ubudala. Ukuvele kwababuhlungu kakhulu kubantu ukuthi kuthema ngabe kuphuma umbiko ukuthi usedlulile emhlabeni ubaba uPatrick Ndlovu. Kwavele kwabuyeleza izithombe zakoyizo nakoZone 14 lapho khona okwakuyimidlalo eyayishisa phansi engaconsi phansi kubabukeli ngalezi izikhathi zasendulo, nokwenza ukuthi i-industry yokuzokulingisa kuthuthumele kube nesililo esikhulu ngenxa yokuthi baningi ebebebukela kuye nobebesafisa ukuhamba ibanga selihambile, baningi abathi baqemeke ingozi ngeqhubantwala.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention please? The year is only beginning, and already the school looks like a ghetto. I trust that you have not forgotten the 3 golden rules of Super Sale.
Smart dress, cleanliness, and
Smart dress, cleanliness, and discipline. Go out there and drum it into the new students. They must learn to obey without thinking. Habit must win over their minds. I want this school scrubbed from top to bottom. And as for those old students, I want you to remind them that they are back at Super Sale.
Siwumndeni lutho kuhlendla kukodwa singakusho sithi nje alwehlanga lungehlanga tutu emndenini kaBamdlovu umndeni uthola ukuphola. Mbukelele kuhlendla TV naze besiphathele zona. Siyabonga ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ku YouTube channel yethu.